and by total again. The second total will rank it.
Yes.
So that's why I call the name rank. We did not do more than this.
Okay.
Now, the next thing we'll be looking at here is your naming convention. It's your naming convention. I don't like this naming convention here. So rank R. So let's go back to total. Go to total. Total. Edit where you added column. Look at this list here. Look at where you added column. Go and edit it. On your apply steps. Go to your apply steps.
Okay.
Look at where you added column. Add column.
Okay.
Open it up. Don't remove it. Just go to the engine and open it up. Good. So add 0 before the total. Add 0 before the total. So you understand the reason why I'm doing that. 0 before the total. Click on OK. Oh, total. Sorry. Okay. Put 0 there. Good. But you do the same thing to average. Add 1 to before the average. And add 2 before the rank. No. Add column. Added column. Upper one. Go to the add 2 to this one. And what do you add to that one? 0. Add 1. Add 1 to this one.
Okay.
Click on OK. And the rank, add 2 to the rank. Add 2 to the rank. Good. Now let's go to your results. Let's go to your results. On the results, I wish all these subjects, I want to add something to all of them from here. So to be able to do that, so I can work for anything, go to add column, and under your add column, go to add column by example. Column by example. So I will avoid formula. So the column equals to okay. The column equals to underscore.
Okay.
Click there. Where the head, where your cursor is, click inside where your cursor is. Okay. Type underscore COMM. Underscore COMM. Come to the second one. Click on the second one. It's not responding.
Yes.
This should not crash you. Oh my good God. Oh. Okay, he has put underscore in front of all of them. Do you observe it?
Yes.
Okay, click on OK. Delete the subject and call this one subject. Call that one subject. Okay. So go to home. Under home, you see append.
Yeah.
You see append.
Append query.
Drop it down. Don't click. Drop it down. Drop it down at the edge. Select the second one. Append query as new. I don't want to overwrite what you have there. So 3 or more. Select 3 or more. Now average. Pick average. Add it. Click on add. Pick total. Add it. Pick rank. Add it. Now click on OK. You should have a table that has all of them.
Okay. Okay.
So that's the table that has all. So that mark, let's round it down. That
I don't.
mark,
Okay. This
yeah,
mark
click
column.
on the mark. Yes, mark column.
Okay. Okay.
Let's rank. Or let's just make it O number. Click on the 1, 2, 3 beside it and make it O number. So that will not be give us good. So I think that is all I need to do. So that is all. Close and hey, before you close and apply, it's only the append that I need. Right click on results. Right
Okay. I
click
should
on
do.
results. Right click and say remove the mark from enable load. Disable load. Good. Remove the mark. Did you remove the mark?
Yes.
Are you sure? You're not.
Yes.
I don't see you clicking on the mark.
No, it's
Okay,
on.
okay.
It has moved it now.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
what
It's
has
okay.
enabled load? Okay.
Yeah. So do it for and leave only append. Rename the append as final results and let's go there. Final results. So close and apply. Okay. So allow it to load. So once you finish loading, give me matrix. And after the matrix, select matrix. So the name, select the name.
What name should I select?
Students.
Okay. As the role.
Yeah. As a row,
Okay.
the mark as the value, subject as the column. That is all. That's what you want to do.
Yes.
Now go to the subject. I mean go to the format and take away format subtotal. Format subtotal. Disable the two subtotal you see there. That's all.
You just said that. So. Wow.
But it's too small. Can you focus it? This is on focus mode.
Okay.
Put it on focus mode. Good. The first one, the average mark is 78 and the rank is the first position. The second one, the average mark is 78. So it's the second because if you look at the total, because I removed the dot from it.
Yes, that okay.
So if you look at the total, it's
Well, I want
actually
the
the
dot to
second.
be there, so I
No,
don't
no, no,
have to
you do
change.
it from there. Yeah,
Okay.
no. I just removed it because I don't.
Okay.
So that is that. So one of them did not have ESP, did not do ESP. Ola did not do ESP.
Yes. Now, okay. Another thing is that now, for instance, now, so this is for two different classes.
Mm-hmm.
Now, so because if you look at the data now,
Mm-hmm.
let me go back to the Excel. Now I have class. You can see that there are two different classes. This is automation level 2. This is automation level, let's say 1.
Mm-hmm.
So at the end of the day, if I'm bringing this into Power Apps, I want to be able to filter
Okay, so
based on the class. So
no
how do I
problem.
manage that?
No problem. So that means we are going to have, we will not bring in class from beginning. We'll bring in
Yes.
class and class will just be a filter. That's all. No,
Okay.
everything we did not add that class to it.
Okay.
So
Everything will be the same, just that we're going to add,
class will be on all
okay,
on
on all of the tables.
yes. Or or class may not be on all the tables. So what we can just do, we have a table with. So if you, is it possible for somebody name to appear in the two classes?
Yes.
Okay, somebody can be in the two classes.
Yes. For instance, now these names now they appear in the two classes because the mark should not be more than 100. So this is like times two. So you
I
cannot
got
score more
that.
than 100 for a
I
particular
got.
course.
I get that. So let me figure that out again. Because we have them in
And then
classes.
where I have this underscore, so can I rename it or must still have
No,
underscore?
no, no. You know why I put underscore? Because it's
No.
sorting those things at the top. Otherwise, average would have been the first one you will see.
Okay, because it starts with A.
Start with A. But because anything that start with underscore will be the first. That's why what I did. You get my point?
Okay, I understand. Okay, so how will I manage
So
it on the but on a so how do one manage this underscore?
uh, I'm trying to see a silent character. That's what I'm trying to do. Because using, you can go with space instead of underscore.
Underscore, okay, all
They
right.
will not notice it.
Okay.
So you can go with space. They will not notice it. So they, that's for the names, and for the other ones, the 1, 2, 3. I'm thinking of
Okay.
what you can put. Just something that is silent that they will not
Like
notice.
silent, okay, that someone will not notice. Okay.
So it's just to help you sort it, because there's no other way you can bring columns in. It will be tough for you. So this is just a silent way around it. Now for the filter. Let me see what one can do there. The level. So we bring in the level of that guy. Okay. So no problem. So we have a way around that. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Go back to your Power Query. Your battery is dead.
Is low. Okay, I still have like 26%.
Mhm. Okay. So go and add that one more column. No, to the results. Go stay on the results.
Okay.
Go to where you choose column. Add one more column.
Okay, but I will not find the so how do I look for the
Don't worry. Close this.
okay,
Look at apply steps.
okay.
The first remove other columns there. Click on the engine in front of it.
Before what?
That remove other columns. The next one.
Okay, okay.
Click on the engine setting. Add. What do you want to add?
Class.
Level, right? Class. Add
Let's
a
say class.
class.
Yes.
Add a class.
Okay.
I'll say yeah, okay. Okay.
Okay.
Now with the class, where is the class on this? With the class on this. With the class on this. Hmm, I hope it has not affected other things there. Go to your final results. Let me check.
That's affected some.
Okay, some of them have class,
Yeah.
others did not. Okay, so what can I do? Okay, go back there.
So the
Go
result.
back to the results. Let's manage it once and for all. So on the results, call. I need a column. I need a new column. Go to add column. Select student name and the class. Student name and the class. So you see merge column. Look at it up there.
Okay.
Click on merge column. You ask you want to
Any
a
separator.
separator. Yes, drop it down. Pick a separator that is not common, that you know they will never use.
Okay. Semicolon.
What do you use?
Semicolon.
Semicolon. Good. So semicolon. What's the name of the column? So okay, leave it as merge for now. We are going to rename it. Leave it as merge for now. Okay. Good. Now to make life easier for all of us, because you've already done a great job, and you use all what you use throughout is students,
Okay.
right? So
Okay.
this time, that student, change it to student one and change the match to students. Change that match to students. Good. Fantastic. Go to your result. Everything is ready now.
So my final result.
Yes. So on your final result, you have subject mark, you have class, and you have what? Student one. Delete class and student one. I don't need them.
But now on the student, I have some student that don't have class.
Don't worry. We'll get to
Okay.
that place. So do you see that there are problem? We have problem with your. Are you sure there's no issue with that data set? Remove that one. Okay. So I should have all of them here now. Is it? Have you gone through?
Yes, I've gone through, but the only thing is that because this is I mean the student automation is only on the result. On the result average. We still have students there. We have students. So for these ones now, so they are the one that are showing in the final result as one that is not carrying what's called mini
Oh,
class. So
I
like the
got what
average
you're saying.
total and then the rank.
No problem. So we have some mistakes we need to fix. Go back to the
Okay.
average. Go back
Okay.
to the average.
Okay.
Go back to the average. So let's start from the source. We are supposed to so remove other columns. Please, we have fix it from here. That remove other column. Fix it from here.
Okay. So I will.
No, call it up.
I'm already on
Click
it.
on
So,
the.
so
You're not getting me.
I need
Click
to
on the
add.
engine. Click on the engine in front of
Okay.
remove
All
other
right, okay.
column.
All right.
Add a class. So you are okay.
Okay.
Merge rename. If you have done it before, if you have known, you would have done it. You won't do this stress again. You get my point.
Okay. I understand. Okay.
You would have done it the first time before we copy it. We
Copy.
copy it
Okay.
4 times.
Okay. So you should insert.
Don't insert a step. Okay. You can start. Yeah, go ahead. Insert a step. No problem. It won't affect it. Insert a step. Good. Do exactly the same thing you did. Semicolon. Okay. So students. Now go and check your final. It should be okay now.
I will still need to. I will still have to do it on the total and the rank.
Okay. Has it affected some of them?
Yes, it has affected. So it has affected some. So I only have the total and the rank. I have to do the total and the
Okay.
rank.
Okay. But sorry, let's correct something on the average. Go back to the average. Why is it
Okay.
this much? It's not supposed to be this much again. Okay, they did different courses now.
Yes.
It's correct. Is correct. So, because it's going to be unique for each of them. Do you get my point?
Yes.
So let's see. You have to do it for total and rank. Once you do it, that's all. So for the four of them, I want them to retain just 3 columns now. Go back to the first one. Let's check. No, the first one, the very first one. Up.
That's result.
Result. I want just 3 columns on the result. Take
Okay. So
out
the student.
other. Yeah, take it out. Take out the class. Take out the class.
Okay.
Leave the subject. Take out the class.
Okay.
The same thing for all others. I think every other one is okay.
Yes. But it's still okay.
So this is complaining. Remove the last operation there. Remove the last operation.
Where? This?
Yeah, remove that one. Let's see.
Okay.
Okay. So what do you have there? We have the
Okay.
students
I have
and the
student.
what? Fine. Now, right click on the student and split it. Split by delimiter. So use the right delimiter for it.
Yes.
Yeah, semicolon. Yeah, even selected semicolon for you. So go ahead. Now, call one student, call the other one class. Close and apply. So bring the class as a filter. Back first. Put a slicer beside it there. Beside, not on it. Click on a paper, click on a canvas, click on the filter. Yes. And put the class inside this. Put the class inside this. Up. I thought you said they are just one class.
It's only one class. I don't know why it's.
Look at what you have there. Is it just one?
It's only one class. I don't know why it's.
Pop it out from me. Let me see.
I should do what?
Pop out the class. Focus mode. Put it on focus mode.
It's
It's
generating.
not. Can you see all the things you have there now? April is on all of them.
What I'm
I
saying
mean,
is
like,
that it's April 2000 and 2021. There's nothing like 2022. All these ones, and then but this one is correct. The one I mean the level 2 is correct, but
go to
this
your
other one is
Excel.
just
Go to the
2021.
Excel. Go to the Excel you load. Go to the Excel that was loaded. You can't. PowerBI will not make a mistake. It's coming from what you
Oh,
have.
I was the one that made the mistake. Sorry.
So
Yeah,
correct it from here. Just correct it from here and refresh. Drag it down. Drag it down.
I did that and I was expecting to get what's it called?
Hold on. Hold on. Click on that small dot. Pick the first one.
Okay.
Save this Excel and refresh that guy there. Refresh.
Okay, well, I was one that
Go
made a
back.
mistake. Okay.
Now select one of them. That's it. Select the other one.
But the rank has changed.
It has changed to what?
Now I'm having 245 as the rank, and then
Okay.
on this one I'm
Oh,
having.
because we rank two classes together. I think I know. So we rank two classes together. You get what I mean?
I understand.
He has done the ranking across
Across all
both.
the.
Mm. So no point. So the only problem is now the ranking. So we can
Yes.
figure that one out. Let me see how to manage that ranking. Mm.
Now, if one use a measure, will it have any?
You can use a measure, but once you use a measure and you add it to the column, to the value, it will duplicate all this column again.
Yes. Okay. Yeah, that's true.
So you need to be careful managing that. Because that was the
And I
first
can't use it on a
problem.
table.
Hmm?
So I can't use it on a table.
On a table as well.
I mean, if I so instead of using matrix, can I
Hmm.
use this? I mean, can I use a table and then will it give me this?
A table will give you the same thing we have done.
So if I'm
But if
using
you
a table,
if you if you, if you want to use a table, we can't combine. We've combined all the columns together from Power Query. We'll not
okay,
combine them together from Power Query. We'll leave them one by one. So if I'm going to use a table, when I'm done with all the results, I will now do what we call merge instead of append. Append was the last thing we did
okay, yes,
because I want to use a matrix.
okay,
If I want to use a table, I'll not use append. I'll use merge. I'll finally merge all of them together and then use. I don't know that you got my point.
I understand what.
So I now use a table. Just bring everything in table by table. That's all.
Okay, but how do I correct this?
Which one?
I mean the ranking.
That's what I'm trying to figure out. For the ranking, I'm trying to look at the best way to go about the ranking. Okay. 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 So, okay. I want to avoid because what we have done now is automated.
Yes.
Because if you change the data, everything here will be correct. But what I have in mind, if you do it so that You are going to by subject, by each of the subjects you rank. You not rank together. The way we rank together, you got my point.
Okay, yes.
You are going to rank by subject. We just did something. We rank by total mark
Yes.
across all the subjects. Total mark, it will give them 1, 2, 3, like 6. You will get to about 1 to 6 now, because
Yes.
there are 2 subjects there. So we will rank them from 1 to 6. So now we are going to rank them by total and subject. So that within a subject, you will rank first to 10, and that's you will rank first to third, and that's you will rank first to third. So what I will do, I will filter first, rank, filter again, rank. That's all. You get what I said? Yeah,
Okay.
go back to that place.
To where?
To
To
transform.
transform?
Yeah. Go to that rank. Where is the rank?
Okay.
Click on the rank. Now, so what I want to do here is this. So the rank that I have here, I want to take it out first. I thought we have refreshed this guy. Refresh here, please.
Okay.
Refresh at the top there. Refresh. Good. So the rank should be 1 to 6, correct? So we want to change this ranking. Minimize that black image. Is disturbing me. Okay. So what we want to do first, remove the rename column that we have there. Just keep removing from the bottom.
Okay.
Remove that one. I want the total to come back. Remove this one. The total is back. It's okay. Where is the total? That's the mark column. The mark column is back. That's what I
Yes.
need. Now,
Okay.
this mark column, mm, this mark column, we want to filter by subject. So, can you duplicate this student column for me? Duplicate this column,
Okay.
student column. Right click, duplicate column. Split the column now.
Okay. The duplicated one?
Yes, split it. Semicolon. It's okay. I don't need the name. Remove that name. The name is
Yes.
useless for now. Yeah, remove it. Okay. Help me filter. Let me
Remove
filter
filter.
by one of the subjects.
Huh?
Filter by one of the subjects. Come to filter by one of the subjects. You know what you can do to save our head is to use mQuery at this point. So the mQuery will not rank everything. We are going to rank, but the ranking will put in consideration two things. Both the what's it called? The subjects and the other one. But filter first. Filter. Let's do it manually first
So
to
how do
even
I
get
filter?
our result. Drop down the arrow. Copy two. Look at copy two.
Okay.
Drop down the arrow beside it. Arrow beside. Arrow beside. Drop it down. I want one of the subjects. I don't want both of them.
Okay. Okay.
Say okay. Now that's with what you have done. Sort by total. Where is total here? Sort by total. So now the rank. Do the rank again. Remove that index one. It's useless now.
Okay. I should move the index one.
Yes, we want to do it again. Yeah, now do the index again. Do the index again. Under add column, index from one. Good. Go and change the number. Go and change the filter again to the other one.
Sorry. What did I do?
What happened?
I'm looking for the one I actually filtered based on. Okay. It's not showing. Okay, I filtered based on this, but it's not showing the level 1 again.
No. Go back to filter. Remove what you have. No. Cancel. Yeah. I need to understand what is going on there. Okay. You know what? Remove the step from the bottom. Remove 3 steps from the bottom, one by one. Remove that step. Remove the next step. Hold on. Remove the next step. Remove the filter. Good. So the rank, I told you to be automated, but duplicate the rank table, result rank, duplicate it.
This result, this
Duplicate.
mark.
Come to your right. I
Okay.
mean, come to your left. To your left. Rank, result rank. The queries. You have queries by the side.
Okay, all right, okay.
You are not on the. That's your right. Left. Extreme left.
Okay, so this is my left. Okay, result rank. I'm on rank already.
Duplicate result rank.
Okay, all right, okay.
Now result rank and result rank 2. So result rank, click on it. Click on result rank. Filter it.
I should filter which
Filter
one?
it to one subject. To one subject. No, not from that place. I mean to one class, sorry. Good. You deselected the first one. The second one, filter and deselect the second one.
But if I have more than this number of classes,
it will be automated. What you are doing, this process now will be automated. That's what I'm saying.
okay.
You will write an M query, but I want to see it work first. So that will form the M query that will come in. Now,
Okay.
so after duplicating those two, so the next thing is remove the index on those two and do the index again to rank them 1 to. You get my point?
Okay.
Index it from 1. Good. Go and do the second one. Remove the index and index from 1. Index from 1. The column should now be remove all other column and leave just 3 columns there. This one will be there. Student will be there.
Okay, so I should remove this one.
No, student is okay.
Okay.
The mark, we don't need the mark here. Remove the mark. Leave the subject. Remove the copy too. And call the index mark. That is all. Oh, call the index mark and do the same thing for the other one. And go and refresh your work. So do the same thing for the other one. Remove the mark. Remove the copy too. Call the index mark. Now go to the results rank. Go to the result rank. The first one, result rank. Now click on home, under home, append. Home, under home, append queries. Pick the first one here, first one. Append to, now select rank 2. Drop down the second one, rank 2. Click on OK. Go and check your final result. It should be okay. Close and apply. It's okay. Close and apply. That's all. Yeah. So everything is ready.
But it's not bringing in rank.
The rank supposed to have been there. Pick the other one. Pick the other one.
It's still showing the old rank.
No, something is wrong. Okay. So, but that one we can use mQuery to manage that part.
Okay.
Okay then.
Thanks for your time.
Let me just think through one mQuery that can fly easily without doing it manually.
Okay. And
so,
my battery is on.
I can see that. So take
it. Like, when can I reconnect you?
Let's see how tomorrow, in the night tomorrow again, I should be free.
Okay.
Okay then. Yeah, take care.
And then I'm thinking of, I don't know, I want to ask you something.
Yeah.
Is there a way I can join your team?
You can. So the challenge is my team will work majorly on offline. We are not always together. That's the problem. Before, we are always together in the office, but now, so when you are working scatter, it's somehow. That's the challenge. But let's see how the whole thing will fly. Presently, what are you doing presently?
I am just freelancing, yeah. I'm just doing multiple things.
No problem.
I actually want to focus on.
Don't let me kill your laptop. Let's talk on WhatsApp. Shut down,
Okay.
because it's not good for the battery to shut down on laptop. It will spoil, damage the battery.
Okay.
Okay then. So let's talk on
thank you very
WhatsApp.
much. Okay.
Yeah.